everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today we're going to be transplanting some pepper plants. Now we sowed those about 3, almost 4 weeks ago now. They're ready to be transplanted into a larger size. Let's get started. I don't think I have enough pepper plants to fill up this cell tray, so I'm going to leave these 2 rows blank or empty. The first peppers we're transplanting are the Jimmy Nardellos. Not much germination going on here, sadly, and there's 2 cells that didn't come up. But all the other ones that did come up have 2 plants in it. So that's one of the reasons why I'm separating these plants, is so I can actually save the extra ones instead of thinning to one healthy plant. Next up, shishito peppers. I have 13 of these little plants. Yellow monster peppers, best germination on these, with 18 out of the 24 popping up. Looking amazing. California Wonder with only 6 popping up. I could have done something wrong here. These did dry out at one point, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe I compacted the soil a little too much. Could have been a few reasons, but I at least have 6. "14 of Craig's Grande jalapeno peppers." Really excited for these. They all did pretty well too with how many came up. They're all watered in on the shelf. I also have a fan set up for them. Also, don't worry, they will bounce back. They usually take a little bit of time after transplanting to bounce back up. They usually look all wilted and tired. I mean, they've been on such a long journey, so I kind of get it. I want to thank you guys for joining me on transplanting these beautiful peppers. Till next time, stay gardening.